A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is with immense joy, boundless energy, and an overwhelming sense of pride that I, Ms. Urvashi Shah, welcome you all to the grand cultural extravaganza of Children's Academy, Ashoknagar. Today is not just another day. It's a celebration of talent, creativity, and the vibrant spirit of our grade 5 students. Before we dive into the festivities and the magic that's about to unfold, I invite everyone to stand in attention for the national anthem and Rajya Geet.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा भीतीनं तुझी मुळी कडकडणाऱ्या नभा अस्मानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो शिवशंभू राजा
दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा
जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा काळ्या छातीवरी कोरली अभिमानाची लेणी
ओलादी मनगटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी
दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला
निधळाच्या घामाने भिजला
देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचेही दस्तरानी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा
Kindly be seated. A few general instructions to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. No food items are allowed inside the auditorium. Please respect the rules. Kindly put your phones on silent to avoid any disruptions. We request that you refrain from moving forward to take pictures of your child as we have an official photographer present. Your child will be handed over to you only at the end of the program. We ask that you remain seated and avoid gathering backstage. Announcements for student dispersal will be made at the end of the event for a smooth exit. Dear parents, for your safety, please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the fire safety guidelines of the ASPE auditorium. Use the nearest fire exit in case of an emergency. Fire exits are available on both sides of the auditorium and at the back. In the event of a fire, stay calm, move swiftly towards the exit, and do not panic. Use the stairs and avoid elevators. Do not go back for personal belongings. Do not re-enter the building until you are instructed to do so. Now that we have ensured everyone is aware of the safety protocols, it's time to set the tone for what promises to be a memorable event. I would now like to invite Ms. Smriti Sarkar to formally welcome everyone gathered here today.
Welcome everyone to this day of delight, where dreams take flight and stars shine bright. Today, we gather with pride in our hearts to celebrate the magic each child imparts. With every performance, they dazzle and glow, their passion and talent in every show. At Children's Academy, we stand proud and tall, watching our young stars give it their all. Good afternoon. Before we begin, it is my honor to introduce the esteemed dignitaries gracing the occasion. Ms. Monica Bhatt, Trustee, Mr. Ronit Bhatt, Group Communication Head and IBCP Coordinator, Ms. Shraddha Bhatt, Brand Manager, Ms. Shamiksha Bhatt, Members of the Management, Dr. Sheila Malia, Chief of Academic Board, Ms. Sonal Mahatre, Headmistress, Primary Section, Ms. Priyadarshini Kotian, Headmistress, Pre-Primary, Ms. Vijeta Nambiar, Supervisor, Primary Section, Ms. Somrita Modak, Headmistress, Primary Section, Thane. Our guests, dear parents, beloved teachers, and of course, our shining stars, the students of Children's Academy, Ashoknagar. I, Ms. Smriti Sarkar, feel truly delighted and privileged to welcome you all to the cultural extravaganza of Grade 5 for the year 2025-26. This event is a celebration of hard work, talent, discipline, and growth, where we come together as a community to acknowledge and applaud the milestones we have reached together. As Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. And today, we come together to celebrate that very spirit, where learning comes alive in the most creative of ways. First and foremost, I extend a warm welcome to our respected dignitaries. Your presence is both an honor and an inspiration, reminding us of the value of educational excellence. To the heads of Children's Academy Group of Schools, your leadership strengthens our journey and encourages us to do better each day. To our dear parents, your constant support is the pillar of strength for our students. And to our talented children, today is a celebration of your unwavering dedication, sincere effort, and remarkable growth. This occasion stands as a testament to the hard work you have invested and the enthusiasm with which you embrace every opportunity. Every performance reflects your journey, your effort, and the joy you bring to learning. And we are so proud to witness you shine on this well-deserved platform. This afternoon holds the promise of an enriching experience, blending entertainment, education, and celebration. Our students will showcase their talents through various performances, beautifully embodying both their creativity and the core values we cherish and nurture. As we embark on this exciting celebration of talent and creativity, I invite everyone to get ready to be amazed, cheer loudly, and soak in the incredible energy of our young stars who have poured their hearts into making today unforgettable. Once again, a big, warm welcome to you all. Let's celebrate the power of learning, the thrill of achievement, and the unstoppable spirit of our amazing school community. Thank you.
Thank you, Smriti Miss, for the warm welcome. To commence this propitious occasion, I now request our primary headmistress, Ms. Sonal Mahatre, to kindly escort our dignitaries to the stage for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. As the lamp is lit, As the lamp is lit, we do more than mark the beginning of today's celebration. We honor the enduring legacy of our beloved founders, Mr. V.V. Bhatt and Madam Bhatt. Their passion went beyond knowledge. It was about nurturing dreams, building character, and transforming lives. Today, we pause to reflect on their extraordinary journey. Their courage and dedication sparked a beacon of hope, shaping every classroom, every smile, and every achievement we celebrate. As the light from this lamp fills the room, let it remind us of the legacy they have left behind, a legacy that inspires us to strive for excellence, embrace compassion, and continue their mission with the same love for education. I request all the dignitaries to take their seats. Thank you. The essence of prayer is a sacred and intimate dialogue with the divine. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. In this spirit, we now invite you to experience a moment of connection and peace through the prayer dance. Without further ado, I call upon our talented dancers to lead us into prayer.
Pani mama, saga nisa pani mama, saga nisa pani mama. Tida daga din, tari kita tom naach rahe gori tam didam teri tari kita daga din, tari kita tom naach rahe gori tam didam teri tari kita daga din, tari kita daga din. बाजे पा ತೈತದೆ ಕಿಡದಗದೀಂತದೆ
Mic check. Thank you for that tranquil and divine experience, dear students. When we talk about success, we are truly fortunate to have among us a leader whose vision and commitment have played a pivotal role in steering Children's Academy towards continued excellence. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Mr. Ronit Bhatt, our Group Communication Head and IBCP Coordinator, whose unwavering dedication continues to inspire us all. With great respect, I now invite Sir to address the gathering and share his valuable thoughts with us. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Sir as he shares a few words with us.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. See, better. Very special day for everyone, especially for us, and especially for the parents here. Grade 5 annual day, right? Grade 5 cultural extravaganza, the very last in the primary section, right? I'm sure there are lots of emotions flowing through all of you, remembering back to the first day in pre-primary and the first day in primary, and now subah uthana padega, don't know how. These are the issues that you'll have to deal with, and I'm sure that's on top of all your minds. I will try to take as little time as possible. I know I'm not the star performer here. They're all waiting backstage, in fact. But there are certain things I want to talk about. Because one thing I want to do firstly is appreciate each and every one of you. Can we have a big round of applause for the parents of the primary section in particular? But I'll tell you why, specifically because we've been trying for years to get parent involvement in the school, to increase parent involvement in school, other than having you just attend. And we've noticed that happening a lot more over the last year, over the last couple of years. And I think that the bulk of the thanks there goes to you for participating, putting forward your expertise and your time in whatever way you can. And that's something I hope will continue in the secondary as well. Because just like the attendance, the participation seems to fall the older the students get. Pre-primary, everyone is super excited, enthusiastic to attend, and primary enthusiasm is still there. I could hear a lot of cheers even before the show started. Very nice. Secondary, I'll give you an example. I went to when we attended the sports day, secondary sports day last time. I went up to Rohit sir and asked, did the parents know that the sports day was today? Like literally almost no one there, which is pretty heartbreaking. As a school, we try to do so much to make sure that the students feel like they're in a, they're participating in a sports day, and the students are doing so much to go out there and participate with all the energy and try to win a medal, and the parents aren't there. It's pretty heartbreaking for everyone involved. So that's why I want you to keep today in mind. The same enthusiasm that you came in with when you were in the pre-primary, the same enthusiasm you came in with in the primary and today, I want you to continue that over the next the years as well, even when the children come to the secondary section, especially when the children come into secondary section, because a lot of things are changing now, right? Your children are getting older. There's a lot that will change in your children, and the school will of course be doing a lot to keep up with that. At the same time, it is the parent's responsibility as well to make sure that you're partnered with us, to put it that way. As you all know, Children's Academy's core tenet, our motto, has the word hard work and discipline in it. And we try to inculcate those values in your children from the very beginning. When you compare us to other schools, I think everyone can rightfully say that discipline is something Children's Academy is known for. Some claim that we go overboard when it comes to instilling discipline. I say there is no such thing. And you must all agree with me, otherwise you wouldn't be at Children's Academy. But the discipline can't be brought in by a single individual or by just the school. Right? Tali do haath se bachti, I think we can all agree. I'll give you an example. If the child comes up to mummy, right, to the mother and says that I want something, mujhe ye dila do. Mummy says no. The child goes to the father. The father says yes, right? Three things are happening at that time. One, the child is getting what the child wants. Second, they're learning how to game the system. Third, they're learning that no such thing as boundaries. Boundaries are shiftable. The same thing happens that when we teach something at school, when you try to instill certain discipline at school, but that discipline isn't reinforced when you go back home. How will the child know that, okay, if the child, this is not okay at school, but this is okay at home? If it's okay at home, it must be okay at school as well. That is something that we need you to partner with us on. It's very simple to know that we all know what is right and what is wrong. I don't need to sit here and give you a value education lesson. We are all, most of us are all adults here, and I think we can all agree that we know what is right and what is wrong. So that's something I wanted to keep in mind. I know all of you, this generation of ours, have been brought up with the idea of gentle parenting, right? You all get it on Instagram when you're scrolling, gentle parenting, don't do this and don't do that. But gentle parenting isn't the same as no parenting. There's a vast difference between gentle parenting and no parenting. Sure, some of you might argue that we grew up with too strict of a household, but that doesn't mean we go to the other extreme. A valid middle ground has to be sought. And for that, the school holds multiple parenting workshops. We try to answer as many questions as you may have. And that is important. The communication between the parent and the school is important. So we urge you to keep that going and to instill the same discipline at home that we try to instill in the school. That also comes down to something as basic as attendance, right? We tell you that attendance is important. There's a reason behind that. At no point in the history of the school has the teacher ever walked into the classroom and thought, I don't know what to do today, I'll teach something that's in my mind. That is not how education works. That's not how education works in Children's Academy, especially. Our teachers have prepared for hours and days and weeks at a time to go into the classroom to teach something. Our block plans are created months in advance. Our lesson plans are created months in advance. We know exactly what is going to happen at any given point in the school day, weeks and months before it's actually going to happen. And the reason behind that is that we have come up with a scientific way of knowing that, all right, this is going to come, and after that, something else is going to come. And that's going to be the best way to teach your children. Now, suddenly one day the child doesn't come because they don't want to, or worse yet, because the parents have a social event to go to. What kind of message is that putting forward to the child? That schooling is not as important as this particular social event. That schooling is not as important because it's a Saturday morning, I don't feel like going to school. Never mind the fact that the Saturday morning school is there because we're trying to make up for a day that was lost because of whatever it may be, a random holiday given by the government or anything of that sort. So that's something that we want you to keep in mind, that the reason why we do things in the school, that's a reason to why we do things in the school the way we do it. And we urge you to pay attention to what we're doing in school. Please understand the importance of what we're doing in school, and don't just disregard it and disregard the hard work of the teachers by letting your students bunk school whenever they want to. And finally, this is something that I noticed just recently, a couple of weeks ago. I want you all to keep it in mind. It's the school bell rang. Primary student, local students were heading outside. Mummy was waiting outside. The child must have been first grade, second grade at most. She has a backpack on. She goes up to the mother. There's not a single word exchange between them. There's no hi, there's no hello, there's no hi-fi, handshake, hug, nothing. The child does this. Can anyone guess what this means? Mobile, right? The mother doesn't even say a word. She just puts the mobile phone in the child's hand, takes the bag from the child, and they both start walking. Not a single word has been exchanged between the two this entire time. The entire journey is just child on the mobile, mummy with the bag, and they're walking back home. No question about how was the day today, what did you do in school today, nothing of that sort. Again, this is a case of just being mindful about what is being taught in an interaction like this. Words don't have to be spoken for a lesson to be taught. I think we all know that. This is teaching a very bad lesson. So be very mindful about what usage of technology is there in a child's life at that particular age. Again, I'm not saying anything along the lines of don't give them access to technology at all. That is not the case. Children's Academy is a very technologically advanced school. We try to inculcate all the modern lessons that we possibly can. But at the same time, there are time limits. There are tools through which you know what the child is doing on the mobile phone. So please try to keep that in mind. If you need any guidance, you can approach the school. We can try to come up with a workshop or some sort to make sure that you're up to date with all the technology that is going around. But there's no such thing as technology going backwards. That has not happened in the history of mankind. Technology will only move forward. So being aware of what is happening, ensuring that we are giving our children access to the best technology at the right time, in the right way, is going to be very important as we go forward. And finally, I think since we are talking about the core tenets of the school, about hard work and about discipline, we can talk about the other aspects of that we try to inculcate within the children, right? About empathy, about selflessness. Again, these are very basic things that, as such, that we all know is very important, and we try to inculcate these lessons in our children. You must have all noticed by now that the days of rote learning, by and large, are gone. There is, of course, going to be some rote learning required. That's not going to go away entirely. But for the most part, we're trying to inculcate skills within your children that is going to be useful for them throughout their life. I've attended countless conferences over the last couple of years. Again and again, people keep saying the same thing about the face of work is changing in the workplace. I was at a Google event recently. They were talking about how the work that exists now will not exist 10 years down the line, which is why we stopped trying to train our students for a workplace. We're trying to, again, stay true to the school's mission of creating lifelong learners. And that's something you'll notice when you come down to when the students come to the secondary section as well. We're trying to inculcate values within them. We're trying to inculcate skills within them that stay with them throughout their lives. But again, this is not something that we can do just by ourselves. We require your partnership and your help and your support throughout this journey that we have together. The journey between a school and the parents is for 15 years, right? And those 15 years make a world of difference in your child's life. So you've done a great job until now. Like I said, I started off by applauding all of you by saying that you've been doing an exceptional job, and I ask you and I urge you, we have 5 more years, 7 more years, in fact, if you count IBCP, which I hope you all do. And in those 7 more years, I want to see all of you participating with just the same amount of verve and enthusiasm that you are right now. So thank you all for being here. Thank you all for being enthusiastic, and keep the energy up when the students are on stage and ready to perform. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and visionary guidance. Your leadership continues to motivate us all and strengthens our commitment to excellence. We truly appreciate you taking the time to share your thoughts with us today. It is rightly said that gratitude paints little smiles on our hearts. Today, as we reflect on the efforts, contributions, and presence of each one of you, it is only fitting that we pause to express our sincere appreciation. As we draw this formal celebration to a close, it is my honor to invite Ms. Vijayta Nambiar to deliver the vote of thanks to all who contributed to making this event a truly unforgettable one.
Thank you, Urvashi. A warm and graceful afternoon to the members of the management, dignitaries, teachers, students, and our most valued guests, dear parents. I, Ms. Vijayta Nambiar, on behalf of Children's Academy Ashok Nagar and the entire fraternity, express a hearty gratitude to our management for their absolute trust and constant support. Your vision and leadership are the guiding lights that help our school shine so brightly. As Nelson Mandela wisely said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Your commitment to nurturing young minds ensures that we are indeed changing the world one student at a time. A particular mention goes to our respected principal and chief of the academic board, Dr. Sheila Malia. The assistant headmistress of the secondary section, Ms. Seema Dinesh, Ms. Priyadarshini Kotian, the headmistress of the pre-primary section, and Ms. Bhakti Shah, supervisor of the secondary section, all of whom serve as pillars of strength. Sincere thanks to our primary headmistress, Ms. Sonal Mhatre, for her conscientious guidance, scrupulous suggestions, and constant encouragement to try new things and present a grand show before you. Special thanks to our esteemed guests, the respective heads of other schools, for sparing their time to grace the occasion. A big thank you to our wonderful parents and guardians. Your support and encouragement are the cornerstones of our success. We cannot achieve excellence without your help. You have always been generous with your time in times of need. A special word of appreciation goes to the group of parents who will be performing in today's show. Your performance will add charm and warmth to the event. Your participation truly reflects the beautiful bond between school and home. We deeply appreciate our parents who volunteer tirelessly to make every rehearsal possible. To our dedicated teachers and staff, your unwavering commitment and passion are truly commendable. Heartfelt thanks to the Grade 5 team for bringing this event to life with their hard work. Our heartfelt thanks to the ancillary staff who have rendered their constant assistance to ensure perfect arrangements for the event. To our talented students, you are the stars of today's show and you shall shine with brilliance and enthusiasm. Your creativity and energy remind us of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Our sincere thanks to Ms. Shraddha Bhatt, our brand director, and her team for their exceptional work on LED visuals for formal program, social media updates, and the colorful invites. We also extend our gratitude to Mr. Sarvesh for his valuable support in creating the LED visuals that enhance the entertainment program. Our very own art team and Krishna sir for the creative work on props and backdrop. Our costume vendors, Mr. Atul Pakre, Ms. Sadhna Pakre from Atul Dresswala, Mr. Altaf from Bollywood Costumes for the vibrant costumes. Choreographers, Ms. Aarti, Ms. Pavitra, Ms. Srishti for the scintillating Bharatnatyam performance. Mr. Dhanur and team for the breathtaking performances that you are about to witness. Mr. Bharat More, Mr. Aniket, and Mr. Gaurang for their dynamic assistance in the skit and mime. Mr. Keyur and team for recording and editing. Mr. Paul for the bus arrangements and sumptuous refreshments. My sincere thanks to the staff and management of SP Nutan Auditorium. We also appreciate Mr. Vasu for the light and Mr. Vishal Kenu for sound. I am grateful to the photographer for capturing these moments which will be cherished forever. We also extend our gratitude to Mr. Rajkumar and Mr. Rakshay for technical support. Lastly, to everyone who contributed behind the scenes, whether it was through organizing, setting up, or supporting in any way, your hard work has not gone unnoticed. As the famous quote goes, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. I'm sure that your dedication shall make today's event a resounding success. In conclusion, let me reiterate our deepest thanks to each and every one of you. As we anticipate today's success, let us carry forward the joy and enthusiasm into the future. Thank you all once again for your invaluable contributions and support. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Ms. Vijeta, for recognizing the efforts of everyone involved in making this event a resounding success. Also, our heartfelt gratitude To our supervisor, Ms. Vijayata Nambiar, your advice and meticulous eye for detail have helped us in planning efficiently. Before we proceed, to immerse ourselves into the flurry of today's festivities, let's take a short break. We'll be resuming in 10 minutes, so please make sure to return promptly to catch all the spectacular performances we've got in store. Let's keep the energy high and the flow smooth so we can move into the next segment without any delays. Just a gentle reminder, please refrain from bringing food into the auditorium and kindly respect the rules of the venue. Thank you for understanding. See you in a few. Of the retro era to the colorful 90s, and finally to the fast-paced world of the current generation. This act hilariously yet touchingly captures the changing lifestyles, quirky habits, and unique styles of our generation, while reminding us that through time's change, the bond of family and love remains eternal. So let's flip through the Samay Ke Panne and relive those priceless memories sprinkled with laughter, nostalgia, and a pinch of emotion. And of course, let's keep the cheers loud for your young performers who are all set to bring the past and present alive on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, here's presenting you Chronicles of Time, Samay Ke Panne.
It's in the air, it's India.
Yay! I won! I won! No, I won! I won! I won! Such fresh veggies. Really, we don't get such fresh veggies in Mumbai. Yes. Rohit Sharma played so well. I wish we could get VIP tickets. Yes. Bumrah took 7 wickets. Hello, friends and family. You must be wondering, why are these people here? They are here for our anniversary. Hey, come here. Ah, he is my husband. Namaste. I am Srirang Pandurang Dabke and she's my wife. Parvati Srirang Dabke. जब से इनसे शादी हुई है, तब से दबके. हाँ? He is my son. Namaskar. Sanjay Srirang Dabke and she is my wife. Preeti Sanjay Dabke. Meet my daughter. Meera Anil Wadhwa and I am her husband, Anil Dhawal Wadhwa. And we are Dada Dadi's grandchildren. Don't forget. He's our favorite family member. Nandu Sabka Bandhu. It looks like a happy moment to all of you. But इनको बुलाने के लिए मुझे बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े हैं. हाँ, मैंने भी बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं. हाँ, तूने भी बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं. And how did you forget me? अरे, इसके बारे में तो बताना भूल ही गई. रुको, इसके बारे में धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. Good move, Mr. Dabke. Thank you, Mrs. Dabke. पर दादी, हमें इन्हें शुरुआत से बताना पड़ेगा. अरे बाप रे, मुझे ये सब वापस करना पड़ेगा. अपने ही तो लोग हैं. That's our CA family, जो हमारे दिल में बसते हैं. तो ठीक है. Anything for the CA family. तो चलो. Stop it! वही तो दादी बहुत शांत लग रही है. चल पूछते हैं. दादी, what's wrong with you? Why are you so upset? दादा, what happened to दादी? परसों हमारे शादी की 50वीं सालगिरह है और ये महारानी जिद पकड़ के बैठी है. मतलब इनका कहने का मतलब है कि children should come and celebrate our anniversary, but they have work, so they cannot come. And she won't celebrate our anniversary without them. Oh, that's the problem. Come on, Nandu. ए, नीचे बैठ. है? तू बोलता भी है? अरे कभी कभी. हाँ? I have an idea. We will send Dadi to hospital. What? Are you mad? Do you know what are you saying? नहीं नहीं, मेरा मतलब हम ऐसे झूठ मूठ का नाटक करेंगे. Oh, good idea, Nandu. Come on. Dadi, please give me your phone. नहीं, मुझे रात को सीरियल देखना है. At least you give me your phone. Why? Please. अब देखो मेरा कमाल. दादा दादी के बच्चे. Hello Shambhu, what happened? Why are you crying? Oh my God, Shambhu, can you stop crying and tell us what's wrong? And where is Mummy? Where's Papa? Oh, दादी बहुत बीमार है. हैं? अरे हाँ, एक्टिंग करो एक्टिंग. हाँ. पार्वती, heart is on the left side. हाँ. ये देखो. बच्चों, मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब है. तुम जल्दी आ जाओ. आओगे ना? हाँ. Yes, plan successful. अब देखो कैसे दौड़ते दौड़ते आएंगे. पार्वती, now stop it, otherwise. Superb idea, Shambhu. Thank you, दादी. अब तो उनको आना ही पड़ेगा. हाँ.
Bum chicka chicka bum 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 chicka chicka bum.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम, हैं तैयार हम.
पर दादी, प्लान में एक प्रॉब्लम है. क्या? आपको नहीं लगता ऐसे झूठ बोलने से उनको बुरा लग सकता है और कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है?
सोचा था क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया. ढूंढो मुझे, मैं कहीं खो गया.
मैं भी कहीं खो गई. छुट्टी हो गई.
छुट्टी हो गई. तिनक दिन तिनक दिन तिनक दिन तिनक दिन. अरे गड़बड़ हो गई, अरे छुट्टी हो गई, अरे गड़बड़ हो गई, अरे सीटी बच गई. धरती घूमे अंबर झूमे, हो गया घपला, बच गया तबला, लग गई हिचकी. राम का लो नाम दुनिया वालों में चला. गड़बड़ हो गई, अरे छुट्टी हो गई, ओ गड़बड़ हो गई.
अरे गड़बड़ को मारो गोली. जश्न की करो तैयारी. आज मेरी पूरी फैमिली एक साथ आने वाली है.
ए पार्टी, ओ पार्टी, ए पार्टी, पार्टी, पार्टी.
नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से दिन फटाफट डिंगी बाबा डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर दिन फटाफट डिंगी बाबा
What happened, नन्नू? दादा दादी वो आ गए मेरे पोता पोती आ गए हाँ आ गए ओ मिस्टर दबके अंदर दबके क्या बैठे हो बाहर आओ हाँ वो आ गए But why are you standing here? Why? What's wrong? You were sick, Parvati. Daddy, wrong side. Not here. Go and lie down inside. शंभू, मम्मी को क्या हुआ? वहाँ अंदर देखो। मम्मी! आपको क्या हुआ? मम्मी, don't get up. You need to rest. मम्मी, आप कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो? Hey, listen. Mummy is not saying anything. What can I do? They didn't even offer me a chair to sit. तुम्हारे नखरे. मम्मी. અરે દાદી 5 કિલો ઢોકળા લાવી છું આટલું કોણ ખાશે અચ્છા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સ અહીંયા મૂકું છું એ છોકરી આ ઉંમરમાં મારાથી કામ કરાવે છે જા કિચનમાં મૂકી દે ને દાદી પૂરમપોલી રેડી મોદક રેડી દમ बिरयानी रेडी शाही पनीर रेडी पनीर टिक्का मसाला रेडी रोटी और भाकरी भी रेडी आगे बताओ क्या बनाना है सब खाना अच्छा बनाया है ना मेरी पूरी फैमिली आई है हाँ हाँ जा किचन में जा मैं आती हूँ थोड़ा धनिया भी डाल देना दादी नारियल कटवा के लाया हूँ कहाँ पे रखूँ इसको भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आता उसको बाहर ही रख ठीक है पार्वती अब क्या है तू तो बीमार है पार्वती अब क्या है रॉन्ग साइड मम्मी शंभू it was Daddy's idea no it was Parvati's idea no it was Nannu's idea ये फंसा no not my idea है ये बोला how can a dog speak है ये वापस बोला Mummy, we were on emergency mode. We thought that we had to hospitalize you. हाँ, सब बिजनेस छोड़ के आए हैं हम. And even kids miss their school. And extra classes too. बेटा, तुम तो हमें समझ सकते हो ना? Papa, I have to make an important call. Why, Mummy? Bhabhi, come with me. Let's go to the kitchen and see what's happening. बहू, तुम तो मुझे समझ सकती हो ना? What, Mummy? आप भी ना. अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? भाभी, जल्दी आओ. I had a client presentation. बच्चों, तुम तो हमें समझ सकते हो ना? दादी, this is not fair. Let's go and play.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, this week we need to complete tiling for all floors and start the plumbing work too. Hello, can you hear me? This network.
I will email this presentation ASAP. This network. क्या है इस घर में? दामाद जी के बैठने के लिए कुर्सी नहीं, नेटवर्क नहीं. मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. ओ कायरे साहब, ड्राइवर अंकल ने सब कुछ सामान बाहर रखा है. और हाँ, मैं और मेरी बेटी सब सामान नहीं उठा सकते. तुम्ही सगळे परत आतमध्ये आलात. और दोनों दीदी कहाँ हैं? दोनों पर्से मेरे हाथ में. अब देख नंदू, मेरा तो स्वभाव अच्छा है. आजकल कोई भी पर्स से कुछ भी चुरा लेता. और कहाँ है मेरी दादी? बहुत बीमार हो. मुंबई का सब कुछ काम धाम छोड़ के आई ना मैं. हमारे काम वाली बाई का ग्रुप होता है, उस पर मैंने लिखा हमारी दादी बहुत बीमार है, मैं आज काम से नहीं आ सकती हूँ. है? लेकिन आप तो इतनी ठीक ठाक दिख रही हो. अभी ठीक हुई हूँ. एक आयरे शंभू, क्या किया तूने दादी को?
अरे वो हमें थोड़ा नाटक करना पड़ा.
अरे देवा पांडुरंगा ईश्वरा, मुंबई का सब कुछ काम धाम छोड़ के आई ना मैं. क्या किया तूने?
तो मेरी क्या गलती? मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया था. वैसे अभी भी तुम्हें जाना है तो जा सकते हो.
तू कौन है मुझे बोलने वाला?
इनका तो ये चलता ही रहेगा, बट डोंट वरी, ये तो इनका बात करने का तरीका.
चल एसी लगा. कितनी गर्मी हो रही है. और हाँ, वाईफाई पासवर्ड दे दे. I will die without internet.
Oh मैडम, here only air is free and वाईफाई पासवर्ड गाँव की मिट्टी. वैसे भी मुझे नहीं लगता वाईफाई इतने लोगों का प्रेशर झेल पाएगा.
Oh मम्मा, here there is no network. I wanted to show my friends live the गाँव की मिट्टी, गाँव की हरियाली और गाँव के घर, but the signal too is lagging here. Oh बेटा, don't be upset. Go play with your friends. Okay.
Yeah, my game is also running like a bullock cart internet.
Yes bro, facing the same problem. It's just loading and loading. Hi guys, I'm live today. Guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? There is no internet. Let's make reels. But without internet, how can we make reels? So what should we do? Look at them. Oh Mr. Dabke, I'm talking to you. They are all together, but still away from each other. Yes, glued to these little screens. तो कुछ तो करो. करे तो करे क्या? क्या करना है? मुझे बोलो. वैसे भी मुंबई का सब कुछ काम धाम छोड़ के आई हूँ मैं. And there is no internet. I'm getting bored. बच्चों, मेरी आवाज तुम तक पहुँच रही है? तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? और तुम क्या इधर हंस रही हो? तुमने बुलाया तो भी कोई नहीं आया. हाँ, जैसे एक बार बुलाओगी और सब आ जाएंगे. तो दिखाओ. अब देखो. अरे बेटा लोग, क्या हुआ दादी? हाँ मम्मी. अब बोलो तुम्हें क्या बोलना था. Have you come to meet us? Yes. Really? Yes. But you are busy on your laptop, mobile and internet.
Mummy, Papa, your generation will not understand the problem of not having internet. Mobile, laptop, internet are inevitable parts of our life.
Without these, we cannot connect with each other. So you mean we did not see life? No, Mummy, I didn't mean to say that. Bus, in our times, we did not have mobile, laptops or internet. Yes, everything was live at that time. We spoke face to face and laughed out loud. Now, everyone just sends lol instead of really laughing. So, how did you play video games and break records? We played on the grounds and broke many records there. Like, seriously? You did not have YouTube channels? We never needed YouTube क्योंकि हमें सारे गाने मुंह ज़बानी याद रहते थे और मैं उस पे डांस भी करती थी. वैसे ये सोशल मीडिया अच्छा तो है, लेकिन we should never be addicted to it. हाँ, मुझे पार्वती का डांस अच्छा लगता था. So Nanu, how did you meet Nani? Yes, Dadu, how did you meet Daddy? Did you meet at a wedding or did you send a message with a pigeon? No. दादी बता दीजिए ना. No. मम्मी बता दीजिए ना. No. दादा बता दीजिए ना. ये बोला. मिसेस दबके बताए इन्हें. ठीक है मिस्टर दबके. हाँ, कितने सालों के बाद ऐसी आवाज सुनाई दी. पता ही था. आप भी ना मिस्टर दबके. गया रे. दादी. दादू आप ठीक तो हो? हाँ. पापा अब तो बता दीजिए ना. अब क्या कहे. हम थे, वो थे और हाँ?
हम थे, वो थी, वो थी, हम थे. हम थे, वो थी और समा रंगीन. समझ गए ना. जाते थे जापान, पहुंच गए चीन. समझ गए ना. हने प्यार हो गया. हम थे, वो थी और समा रंगीन. समझ गए ना. जाते थे जापान, पहुंच गए चीन. समझ गए ना. हने प्यार हो गया.
मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के. 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 जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है. हम भी तेरे हम सफर हैं. जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है. हम भी तेरे हम सफर हैं. मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के. मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के. मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ के. मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ के.
ना चाहूं सोना चांदी, ना चाहूं हीरा मोती, ये मेरे किस काम के. ना मांगू बंगला बाड़ी, ना मांगू घोड़ा गाड़ी, ये तो है बस नाम के. देती है दिल दे बदले में दिल के. देती है दिल दे बदले में दिल के.
घे 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 घेरे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं. घे 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 घेरे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock and roll. Hey, बोल बेबी बोल. बोल बोल बोल. अरे बोल बेबी बोल. बोल बोल बोल. मेरे संग डोल. अरे दुनिया है गोल. अरे बोल बेबी बोल, बोल बोल बेबी बोल. जरा मेरे संग डोल. देख दुनिया है गोल. दिल में बस जाने दे मुझको. दिल के सब दरवाजे खोल.
बोल बाबा बोल. बोल बोल बोल. बोल बाबा बोल. बोल बोल बोल. प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे. प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे. सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला.
अरे प्यार कर ले.
अरे प्यार कर ले. आप यहाँ आए किस लिए.
आपने बुलाया इसलिए.
आए हैं तो काम भी बताइए.
ना पहले जरा आप मुस्कुराइए.
आप यहाँ आए किस लिए.
मैं निकला ओ गड्डी लेके. दिल छोड़ आया। रब जाने कब गुजरा अमृतसर, ओ कब जाने लाहौर आया। मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया। हे आहा हा हा, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओले 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 यो, ओले ओले यो, ओले ओले यो, ओले यो, ओले ओले यो, ओले ओले यो।
दादी, नाना, ओह माय बैक, तोड़ दिया, मरोड़ दिया, 50 साल का गुस्सा एक ही बार में निकाल दिया। अरे, how dare I do that? I know you very well, Mr. Dabke. Wait, I'll show you. No, 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 Mr. Dabke. Feels so good to be back here. Everything just looks how it used to be.
It's been ages, but everything reminds me of my childhood.
बड़ा प्यार आ रहा है दोनों में। क्या कर रहे हो? आप भी जरा प्यार से बोलना सीख लो उनकी तरह। जब चाहो तब करते हो, मुझे गाड़ी नहीं मिली, मुझे बेड नहीं मिला, मुझे चेयर नहीं मिली, करते रहते हो।
आज से मैं गाड़ी में ही सोऊंगा।
जीजा जी, अरे रुको, अरे जीजा जी जाओ मत, आपके लिए स्टूल लाओ। जीजा जी जाओ, गाड़ी में ही सो जाओ।
Sanjay, why do you always tease him?
ये देखो संगत का असर, मेरी बहन ने भी सीख लिया। Oh, Mr. Billionaire! Who's that? Oh my God! What a pleasant surprise! The 3 Musketeers are here. अरे आओ गले तो मिलो।
हाँ मिलते हैं। पहले इसकी खबर लेते हैं।
No. अरे माफ कर दो।
Since how many days are you here?
Please forgive me.
Couldn't you even call us?
Sorry. Friendship में no sorry, no thank you. Then please forgive me.
What should we do now?
Let's forgive him. Okay. चल उठ। कितना मारा?
Oh, Bhabhi, I'm feeling so jealous.
Why? Just because Sanjay's friends are here?
Yes, I too want to meet my friends.
Just turn around.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. How did you come here? Who told you I'm here?
Meera!
Come, let's sit.
Oh my God, when did we last meet?
Was it at Riya's wedding?
Yes, that was like 6 years ago. Bhabhi, you also join us.
Yes, coming. But let me bring snacks for all of you.
I miss playing hopscotch, but there is no space to play hopscotch in Mumbai.
Then let's play hopscotch here.
Really?
Oh yes, come on, let's play. Hey, should we play Fugdi?
Yes, come on, let's play Fugdi. Great idea. Really? But please stop it. I'm feeling dizzy.
No.
Please stop it, please.
Okay, let's stop it.
Are you okay?
Yes. Let's sit inside. Time flies, yeah. Feels like just yesterday we were chasing kites and dreams. Look how big our children have grown.
Yeah, and they think they have a wild childhood. Only if they knew how we grew up.
Exactly. Climbing the trees and plucking mangoes.
Catch! Oh yeah, I miss playing cricket. I wish we could play cricket.
Same here.
Our cricket kit supplier Parth is not here.
Hey, तुमने बुलाया और हम चले आए.
Parth, how are you here?
सांस फूल गई. अरे wait.
Let's play cricket. Parth, you ball, I'll bat. And I'm the wicket keeper. I'm fielding.
Me too.
Catch! अरे फुट गई। क्या किस्मत? नहीं, झुनझुन वाला अंकल की खिड़की। ओह नो!
ए डिकरा, रुक रुक, किधर भाग रहा है? मेरा घर का 5वां कांच तोड़ा है और मेरा गाड़ी का भी कांच तोड़ा है।
सॉरी झुनझुन वाला अंकल।
तुम्हारा सॉरी मैं बोतल में डाल के जूस बना के पीऊं क्या? रुक रुक, छोड़ेगा नहीं, रुक रुक।
सांस फूल गई। चलो पतंग उड़ाते हैं।
Let's run! Sanjay, what are you guys up to? We are working so hard for your best education and you are not taking it seriously?
Bunking school and missing classes. Don't you realize how much effort teachers put in just to prepare for your classes? What will you do if you don't study? Wait, let me punish all of you. 100 sit-ups right now.
Sorry, sir.
Right now.
But sir.
Sorry, mummy. I'll not repeat it.
Don't talk to me, Sanjay.
Those scolding felt so big then. But honestly, it's because of all that, the discipline, the values, the culture, that we are so successful today.
They didn't just raise us, they shaped us. They molded us like clay with values, discipline and love.
Respect, traditions, family, we learned everything right here. We are trying to pass the same values on to our kids.
But in the city, it's like swimming against the tide. Everything is just so fast. Sometimes I feel that we are so busy giving them comfort that we are missing out on connection. Exactly. Foreign trips, weekend holidays, vacations. We have time for all of this. But when did we sit with our parents like this?
So let's decide next holiday, not a resort, not a tourist spot, but home.
Yes, definitely. Nandu! Where are you going? Give that to us.
Oh, see this? You still have it. And does it still work? Yes.
What is this, Papa?
Oh dear, this is a Walkman.
Walk what?
Walkman. हमारे ज़माने का Spotify. It has only exclusive playlist. No skipping, no shuffle, no ads, and definitely no Wi-Fi.
Oh, it looks like a phone that doesn't have a screen. And what is this inside it?
Oh, Tia, it's a cassette.
Oops, I think I broke it.
It's okay, Tia. Give it to me, I'll show you something magical. See. Some things like old music, memories can never go out of style. तो चलो, घूम के आते हैं 90s की memories में.
बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करे
My name is लखन, my name is लखन, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन।
ना कोई मंजिल है ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से। शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम।
चार दिन बाकी है बेकार दिन, जीने के है 4 दिन बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी फिर ना आए, जवानी फिर ना आए। है दीवानी है दीवानी, दीवानी दीवानी।
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना, हो जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना। हो गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना, बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो, लड़े जो दुनिया लड़ने भी दो। तुम अपनी धुन में गाओ, दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, कोई छूटे छूटने दो, ना घबराओ। हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना, हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
What a lit performance! Yes, these moments are worth the vlog.
All right, Arav, enough dancing. Come sit down. It's time for a online grammar classes. Remember?
Okay.
Anya.
Anya, you have to catch up on your Miss School notes, right?
Not again.
Tia, come on, research on your EVS project.
Also, you have your spoken English grammar sessions. You can't miss that too. Do you know, just yesterday, I had to attend a coding workshop.
I had to attend creative writing classes.
I had to attend chess classes. Some days public speaking, some days storytelling. It feels like we are always studying and never playing.
Even Sundays feel like Mondays. Stop! No more arguments. Go and sit for your studies.
But
Mama, stop! Enough!
क्या हुआ? इतना शोर क्यों है? और तुम बच्चों पे क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो?
Daddy, Mummy, Papa, you don't support them.
They have their online classes and they don't want to attend them. Do you even understand what we go through?
Oh, nice one. Hey, Emma, that's one like my one. Kill you, Lazo. Oh, my God. Arriba. Oh, I mean, wait a minute. No! Chayo! I'm TV! No! Camera! No! TV! No! No! Welcome! Sa! Sa! Eh? Sa! Sa! Re! Ga! Ga! गरज आज मैं गलन छायो रे धमक चमक बिजली कहते हरी तो राज आयो रे थैंक यू सर ओ आयो लल्ला मम्मा जाओ मेरे लल्ला मम्मा हैया Eh, bro. Eh, mana mana ya? Itu ah. Ay, Allah. Astaga. Mira, oye ves. Mau ini tau? Kau ini boleh ni kerja. Boleh. Okay.
Yes.
मैं नाम नाराई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। गरज गरज पढ़ा नहीं करता, क्लास नहीं जाता, गरजी गरजी आज फिर गना गना छायो रे धमाका धमाका चमके बिजुली कहते हैं रे तू राज आयो रे।
We are sorry, children. We didn't mean to burden you. We just wanted the best for you. We were so busy laying out a bed of roses. We didn't notice the thorns of pressure pricking your childhood.
Maybe they don't need a new class. They just need a little more time and space to breathe.
Children, your parents were not wrong. In our days, life was slower, less competition, fewer distractions. But today, the world is different, fast, demanding, and full of challenges.
Yes, times have changed. Both parents must work and at the same time prepare you for the future. That's why they sent you to different classes, so you can keep pace and succeed.
And if they don't guide you, then who will? Teachers are no longer allowed to discipline, and certainly not the apps, games, or social media. Those are wolves in sheep's clothing. They entertain, not educate.
Their pressure came from love. Learn to balance. Study, play, explore, and live freely. That balance makes life truly beautiful. Light bhi chali gayi.
We have installed a generator on the terrace. We just have to connect it. Sanjay, come and help me.
Okay, पापा. जीजा जी, आप भी आओ. घर के दामाद से काम कराते हैं.
जीजा जी.
चलो ना दामाद जी, आओ मदद करो.
દાદા દાદી ડોન્ટ વરી, હું ફાનસ લાવી છું. તમે એક લઈ જાઓ. I will take care of the children.
चलो, लाइट चली गई है, तो हम एक कहानी सुनते हैं.
कौन सी कहानी? हैरी पॉटर की? नहीं नहीं, शेरलॉक होम्स प्लीज.
राजा रानी की?
भूत की.
हाँ, वो तो मजेदार रहेगा.
तो सुनो, ये कहानी मैंने खुद लिखी है. एक भूतिया महल.
हाँ हाँ, महल तो जरूरी है. उस महल में एक बूढ़ा आदमी रहता है.
बूढ़े किसको बोला रे?
अरे मेरा मतलब, there was an old man living in that palace.
Yo, this sounds better.
उनके बीवी की मौत हो गई थी.
क्या? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था.
Relax, don't react too much. ये तो बस एक कहानी में हुआ था, सच में नहीं. और मरते मरते उसने कहा था,
मेरे परिवार का ख्याल रखना, वरना
और फिर वो चली गई, क्योंकि वो अपने परिवार से बहुत प्यार करती थी. लेकिन बूढ़ा था बड़ा गुस्सैल. एक दिन उसका अपने परिवार से भयंकर झगड़ा हुआ और फिर पूरा परिवार महल छोड़कर चला गया। उसी रात बूढ़े को सपना आया, उसकी बीवी उसके सामने खड़ी थी। ए बूढ़े आदमी, तुम्हारी वजह से मेरा पूरा परिवार घर से बाहर भटक रहा होगा। जाओ उन्हें ढूंढ लो। उठो उठो उठो।
अरे दादाजी, आप नहीं, ये कहानी वाली औरत कहानी वाले बूढ़े से कह रही है। अंकल आंटी, अब सीधे हॉरर वाले पार्ट पे फोकस करो ना।
तो सुनो, अमावस की रात बूढ़ा अपने परिवार को ढूंढने अपनी कार लेके निकलता है। अचानक
क्या?
बिन मौसम बारिश, तेज हवा चलने लगती है। बिजली की कड़कड़ाहट, अचानक
क्या?
कार बंद हो जाती है सुनसान जंगल में। हर तरफ कीचड़ ही कीचड़। कर 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 कर।
आंटी, ये क्या है? ये
रात का कीड़ा। बूढ़ा कार स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश करता है और सिर्फ वाइपर की आवाज आती है। और तभी उसे दूर से गाना सुनाई देता है।
क्या हुआ? मैं हूँ।
डर गया ना मैं। आगे सुनो। और उसी पल शमशान के गेट से आवाज आती है। बूढ़ा कार से बाहर निकलता है। हर तरफ कीचड़ ही कीचड़। पिचुक पचिक, पिचिक पचिक, पिचिक पचिक। अचानक चमगादड़ का झुंड उसके सिर के ऊपर से निकलता है। और फिर अचानक गूंजती है आवाज।
मुझे पता था तुम जरूर आओगे।
बूढ़ा डर कर भागता है। बूढ़ा आगे, आवाज पीछे। बूढ़ा आगे, आवाज पीछे। बूढ़ा आगे, आवाज पीछे। आवाज आगे, बूढ़ा पीछे।
Oh, no!
और उतने में ही वो कीचड़ में धड़ाम से गिर जाता है। नहीं! अचानक सन्नाटा, सिर्फ पैरों की आवाज। पचुक पचिक, पचुक पचिक। और फिर उसके कंधे पर कोई हाथ रखता है।
क्या हुआ? मैं हूँ।
मुझे तो लगा छोड़ो छोड़ो। देखो देखो, अब लाइट आ गई है। अब कहानी बंद करो और माहौल बदलो।
ये देखो, दादा दादी के घर तो लाइट है, लेकिन मम्मा, ये दादा दादी के घर पे मेरे जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चे कौन हैं?
अच्छा, ये तो दादा दादी के पोता पोती है।
कम जॉइन अस। लेट्स लिसन टू अ हॉरर स्टोरी। कौन सी? वो पुराने महल वाली? हाँ। वो बूढ़े इंसान की? हाँ। वो किचन में पुचुक 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 वाली? हाँ। पूरे गांव को पता है ये कहानी। जैसे ही लाइट गई, इनके पिक्चर शुरू।
पर बच्चों, मजा आया कि नहीं? हाँ। अब ज्यादा मजा मत लो, नहीं तो इसके पहले चलो अब माहौल बदलो।
So let's play अंताक्षरी. Yes. So don't waste time and get into groups. अंताक्षरी. बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करे अंताक्षरी लेकर प्रभु का नाम। I will sing the first song with Mo. मुझको इतना बता दे कोई, जैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई, केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं। we'll sing with U. उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए।
वाह नंदू, मजा ही नहीं आया। What's wrong नंदू? They are playing अंताक्षरी, लेकिन कितना बेसुरा है। सच तो बोला। शंभू दादा, please do something. Musicians, mics, singers, and audience, grab your seats and enjoy the melodious Antakshari. Yay!
मेरे सकते। अरे जवा दो ना हमने। We also want to wish Dada Dadi. Yes, it's a big day for them and we have a surprise for them. Why can't we go inside? Every year we celebrate Dada Dadi's anniversary with them. What's this noise outside? Shambhu, why are these people standing outside? सबको अंदर बुलाओ. Oh, since your whole family has come, we should not disturb your private celebration. Shambhu beta, open the door wide. These neighbors are not outsiders. They are a part of our family. Yes, they have never let us feel alone. Be it Diwali, Holi or any festival, they have been with us through every thick and thin. इन्होंने हमेशा हमारा साथ दिया है. हाँ, याद है पार्वती, जब तुमने बोला था कि बच्चों के लिए ढोकला बनाना है, तब ये माधवी 5 किलो ढोकला फट से बना के लाई. हाँ, और ये मोहन कितने सारे नारियल तोड़ के लाया. हाँ, और राजू ने भी क्या खाना बनाया था. दादी जी, आप शंभू को तो भूल ही गए. No बेटा, I can never forget Shambhu. He has been with us since he was small, taking care of us without expecting anything in return. Yes, he has always made sure we remain happy, and this time too, Shambhu and our favorite Nandu managed to bring our entire family together. That is why I always say that they are our special family, and without them, every celebration is incomplete. लेकिन आप सिर्फ इतने ही लोग हैं, बाकी गांव वाले किधर गए? So here we come with the extended family bringing a surprise performance. Yes, surprise performance.
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है. ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है.
अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी जाना है.
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है.
ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ, ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜੈਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ, ਉਹ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
तो देखा आपने क्या क्या पापड़ बेलने पड़े हमें।
But I am happy that our plan worked. Today our family is together.
Every era has its own way of living. Our time was simple but filled with patience and hard work.
Our generation saw both the worlds, the old tradition and the new ideas. We learned how to keep a balance. We are growing up with technology and change, but we know the real strength lies in family, values and respect for one another and support of each other. Every generation moves forward with love and support of each other. Our true legacy is family. Neither we were always right, nor you were wrong. Each generation lived according to the need of their time.
Every generation is different, but one.
क्या हुआ नंदू?
जो दिखाना था वो दिखा दिया।
हाँ।
जो बताना था वो बता दिया।
हाँ।
जो सुनना था वो सुन लिया।
हाँ। Then what are we waiting for? Let's start this celebration.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
किसी से प्यार किया? किया। कभी किसी को दिल दिया? दिया। मैंने भी दिया।
रंबा हो, सांबा हो, मैं नाचूं, तुम नाचो, जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी रंबा हो।
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं। बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं।
धड़क धड़क भड़क दिल धड़क धड़क गया, अटक ना मान
चले वो अंग सा रूप रंग लो सपन समाधि प्रेम भंग अंग अंग फिर मन मदंग और अंग मैं संग संग और जिरगंजी कंजी क्यों मुंदिरी में सुल जिंदी क्यों गंगणी वरना चंदरी वावे अंग नक सगति में यार गंगनी लावे जिरगंजी कंजी क्यों मुंदिरी में सुल जिंदी क्यों गंगणी वरना चंदरी वावे अंग नक सगति में यार गंगनी लावे
यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे हम यार भीग जाएं
वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा दूध सी सफेदी निर्मा से आए रंगीन कपड़ा भी खिल खिल जाए निर्मा ने बांधा सामान झुका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में
Excuse me, miss. It's remix.
What झुमका झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार What झुमका झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा रे What झुमका
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा।
प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार लगा ही दे प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार लगा ही दे
पुष्पा को नेशनल खिलाड़ी समझे क्या? इंटरनेशनल है। हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला।
What happened, children? Do you know what is happening in our school in December? What? Really? क्या हुआ दादी? मुझे भी बताओ ना मुंबई में क्या हुआ? अगर काय म्हणता? मिसेस दबके मुझे भी बताओ ना प्लीज इधर आओ अब सबको बताओ यस यस सो ऑडियंस बी रेडी इन डिसेंबर आंध्र तेलंगाना दर्शనికి స్వాగతం
దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు కొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరా దూకినట్టు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర ముప్పు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దుప్పు కలిగినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 కూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 మిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. I can only see the lights, your face, your eyes, उंगड़ा छिपा के तू धनक फिर दी की रब ने तो नैना उते नीले में जड़े चम 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 के सितारे रोशन body while you're pushing on me put you in the party I can do this all week we'll be dancing till the morning or the baby won't sleep cham के सितारे रोशन body while you're pushing on me put you in the party I can do this all week party time morning gonna sleep the stars सितारे रोशन body while you're pushing on me
What a wonderful journey through the ages. Let's give a huge round of applause to our talented students for bringing Chronicles of Time Samay Ke Panne to life. From the retro era to 90s and the present day, their dances, skit captured the quirks, joys and memories of every generation. We hope you enjoyed this delightful performance as much as we did. I was waiting for it. CA rocks! All right, parents, as we come to the close of this memorable day, a reminder that dispersal will be in an orderly manner as per the announcements made by Vijayata Miss. Let us now bring our celebration to a fitting conclusion with a sense of unity and pride. Let's all stand for the national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande